Welcome back to the Crypto Arc. This is Jay, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you basically a cheat sheet for those that are new to cryptocurrencies and want to get their feet wet in the game. Before I show you guys, I just want to say that nothing in my video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so please, really do your own research, and I'm gonna make it a lot easier for you guys. All right, so as you can see, okay, market's going back up again slightly. All right, so the first one that you want to take a look into is the Digital Chamber of Commerce. Who exactly are these motherfuckers? Chamber of Digital Commerce is the world's leading trade association representing the digital asset and blockchain industry. Their mission is to promote the acceptance and use of blockchain technologies and digital assets across all industries. All right, let's take a look at their membership and who's involved. Okay, here we got Binance, Censure. Most of these companies are basically intertwined, working alongside each other. But crypto-wise, I'll show you guys. Okay, so we have Binance, BNB, Hedera Hashgraph, IOTA. Those are monster picks. Actually, pretty much every single pick here is a monster pick. Now, they're not all cryptocurrencies yet. Some of them are going to be leveraging cryptocurrencies. We have Ripple XRP, Trust Token. Visa just recently partnered up with Consensus. Oh boy. Algorand, Anchorage. I think that's an exchange. Let's see. Stellar, XLM, TaxBit. These guys recently just did some major partnerships too. Surprised to see Token Metrics here. Definitely a good website if you want token metrics. Let's see. Ooh, Civic. This is another good one. Bancor. Let's say Ontology. That's a good one. Proppy. Oh, okay, yeah. I've already known Proppy was here like a long time ago. I have Orchid here. I think this has to do with VPNs. Paxos has some stable coins, I believe, and a bunch of other crap. But Proppy, yeah, this is the recent pump. It was $1 a couple days ago. Now it's at $4. $4. I mean, I'm not sure if bucks is something in your language. Qtum, Solana, Space Chain. Oh, this one's very cheap, guys. This one is so cheap right now. It's like 1.3 pennies right now. So, is this a good bet? In my honest opinion, yes. I have not moved in yet, but however, I do want to move in. I'm eyeing on it. And of course, Zelica. Oh, dude, I've been on this thing since 2020. Now, did I put a lot? No, I'm not a big whale. I was just like, when I first moved in, I was a plankton. And I still got a plankton size bet on this. Am I taking out? No, I'm putting liquidity with whatever I have in ZilSwap and have it staked as well. All right, let's look for more. Let's look for more. Look at all these big names, man. Ouroboros. I think that's connected to Ada, Cardano. Oh, okay. Now, Blockchain Research Institute. I could definitely click on this and see what other cryptos they're like playing with. But yeah, Ethereum. All these are major partners towards cryptocurrencies. Now, they don't all have a cryptocurrency of their own. However, they will be leveraging other companies' native cryptos, like let's say Stellar. That's going to be widely used. Algorand as well. Well, those two that I just showed you, along with Ripple and IOTA, are part of the ISO 222. This guy right here is a layer 0, meaning all these layer 1s, like let's say IOTA, XRP, what is Algorand. Basically, layer 1s are going to be sitting on top of layer 0s, like Hedera Hashgraph and Constellation DAG for scalability and also interoperability, and much more. Security as well, I think. Don't quote me on that, okay? I'm not a developer, man. I don't do coding shit. All right, so the next one on the list is Andreessen Horowitz. You gotta follow this Jew. This is a company right here, A16Z. Now, this company's rich, man. They spent millions and hours of their time basically doing research. And I remember this one thing that they said. Within 15 years or so, the artificial intelligence industry is going to have around like 7 trillions or something. That's what they're forecasting based on the research. Now, I can't remember which one of them said that, but I remember seeing it last year. Okay, let's get to that. Yeah, wow, look at that. We have Arweave, we have AVAX. AVAX right now is pretty hot. I mean, like, I'm paying attention to two of their projects. One is Thor Finance, and the other one is BooFi. BooFi is kind of dying right now, or is a little slow, but no, I do see it high, like going up once they get more traction. Didex, Coinbase, Chia, CeeLo, Compound, Dapper Labs, ICP, The Infinity. That's one of Dion's picks. One of his recent picks, I think last week. Yeah, so this is another layer one, and from my understanding is that they're gonna be offering smart contracts to Bitcoin. Yeah, to Bitcoin. And this bird, Goldfinch Finance. I don't know what this is. No clue what this is. No clue what that guy is. And this one. Maker. Oh, this one. Privacy Coin. Keep. I was on this around like 25 cents. I didn't want to keep holding on to it. I didn't want to think about it, so I moved out around like 70 cents or so. But this is definitely a good project. And once again, wherever Andreessen has his money on, hands on, is going to go up. And your protocol, I was looking at this guy when it was like $3 to $5. Now it's at $20. Now I don't know how long it took to grow there, but this def this one definitely has more room to grow. Actually, all of them. Crypto's a baby industry. Is this BooFi? Oh no, it's fan. Oh, wow, I got excited there. Okay, Rally is a social token. So we humans, we're very social. We're social creatures, and as you can see, platforms like Facebook, Twitter, um, YouTube, all these other social platforms, they've gone big and they've gotten big controls as well. So you want to pay attention to this one too because they are in the social niche. Solana, and I don't know all these other ones. Oh, Uniswap. This one is partners with the World Economic Forum. So pay attention to this guy too. All right, so the next one on the list that you want to pay attention to, possibly get some like easy gains, is Coinbase. So for those that don't know, Coinbase has this effect where if it gets listed, it gets more traction and more people invest towards it. All right, as you can see, Keep is one of the projects, and actually, all these are cryptos. So I don't know all of them. However, if Coinbase is definitely looking into them, definitely want to pay attention. All right, we have Stay Low. I don't know most. Oh, Reserve, RSV, RSR. Pay attention to that. Immutable. I think it's Immutable X. Or yeah, pay attention. When it comes to virtual worlds, that's gonna be huge. Oh my God. Audience in the music industry, real estate right here, and the real estate product. Web3, Dapper Labs. Oh, they got TaxBit as well. Goldfinch, right? A16Z. There's been a bunch of other projects that was here before, and then it got listed, and it made a killing. You have Polygon Matic. Well, you have Rally again. Once again, Coinbase, and now A16Z now Coinbase. Near Protocol 2, Arweave, right her. Pinata. What the heck? Graph Protocol. Okay, so I remember when this guy was at like less than 10 cents, and then it scaled all the way up to like up to 30 cents when it got listed in Coinbase. I don't know where it's at now, but this one is basically the Google blockchain. You want to pay attention to that guy too. Let's see her. Okay, I guess that's it. That's it. So if you're new to crypto, you're having a hard time of where to look for projects to invest into. You want to look for Coinbase Ventures, also Andreessen Horowitz, A16Z. Just look at their portfolio, and also who is involved in the Chamber of Digital Commerce. They'll give you a much easier bet as to which company is going to make it. Not all of these cryptos are going to make it, guys. There's a lot of scams out there. Now, as you can see, according to CoinGecko, we have over 12,000 cryptocurrencies right now, and only a small few is going to make it. So, if you are gonna make a long-term bet, definitely look into these cryptocurrencies that I just showed you, because they do have a big backing, and like if they have all these companies with them, they're definitely gonna last a bit longer. Anyways, that is all I have for this video. If you did find this very informative, please do share it around, guys. People need to be paying attention towards this new economy a bit more and less towards the pandemic. Why? Is because it's just a distraction, so that way you're not prepared. And the New World Order wants to basically create a two-tier society here, one with major haves and major have-nots, and people in the middle class, they're getting attacked. So one of the best ways for you right now, in my honest opinion, which is not financial advice, is to learn how to be defensive in today's environment. You gotta be hedging against the debt. Um, yeah, betting against the debt, putting some money in cryptocurrencies, certain assets, like tangible silver, gold, if you can afford. Me, I'm still working on my way of developing a tangible silver portfolio as well. Real estate, if you can do that, and have some like skill, develop a skill, so that way you can barter. And yeah, that is all I have. Enjoy the rest of your day.